Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, very excited and proud to have Keta with me. She has claimed 20 points towards her permanent residency, smashed PT with 90 in each and every single module. Speaking is 90, writing 90, listening 90 and reading 90 as well. A perfect score, very great score, something which is very rare. So proud of you, Keta, well done, great achievement. Let's start off this way. In your beginning or before you came here, you took few attempts, right?
Yes.
You took few attempts and you were missing in one or the other section.
Yes.
And you were not really sure what the mistake is.
Yes.
You thought that yes, my English skills are quite good and I should be able to do it.
Yeah.
But still we were missing out because we know that the exam is not purely based on English, right?
Yeah.
So you were quite regular to the mock test as well, lab sessions as well. How important were lab sessions or mock tests were helpful for you, or how did they help you to get this perfect score?
Honestly speaking, when we are at home, we always feel that I can study 1 hour, 2 hour, but it is not that proper way that we actually do it. So coming to labs, it was very important. I used to be here only for 1.5 hour, but those 1.5 hour was very important because it was almost getting feedback from you.
That's right.
So it is important. So each and every question that I'm doing, I know it is right or wrong and what mistakes I'm doing. So that is very important. And on the other side, the mock test that I gave every week, it helped me to understand throughout the week what I've done and whether it is useful for me in future or not.
That's
so
right. That's
it
right.
was helping me a lot.
That's right, Keta. Right, guys. Feedback again is very important. Every student we get who gets 8 each tells the same thing, that yes, feedback is very important, and I personally believe as well. Feedback is crucial because guys, you think that yes, I'm doing this thing right. My friend did the same thing. I'm doing the same thing. I'm not really getting the score.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you are not really applying the strategies properly, and that's why you're not getting the score. So you need someone who will guide you through the process, take you through the process, will point out your weaknesses. As she told, she was here for only 1 hour, but yes, that 1 hour she used to get feedback. She used to improve on the weaknesses, and then every Sunday she used to do mock tests, and that is what I believe as well, because once you do a lot of mock tests, you are so used to the exam that it's not something new when you go over there,
exactly.
and you're more confident, right?
Yeah.
Let's talk about your reading as well. One of the sections,
Yeah.
we were struggling a lot. We were getting 90s in other sections as well.
Yes.
What do you think is important for reading, or what helped you to get 90 in reading? We were craving for 79 in reading.
Yes.
Now you've got 90.
90.
What helped you to get 90? In reading?
Just two important things that I was lacking in. One was drop down blanks, which I did a lot of them, but I don't know, I never got my score. But this time, because I practiced from the academic thing, I practiced each and every blank, which helped me a lot because there was a lot of repetitive blanks. And the second was read aloud. I thought my read aloud is quite good. But just the small mistakes that I made, it helped me improve my score. So
That's
yes.
right, that's right, guys. So if you're missing out in one or the other section, don't just focus on that section, because in her case as well, she was not really getting the scores in reading. And earlier we used to only practice reading, but then we figured out that you're making mistakes in read aloud, which is impacting your reading score,
Yes.
right? So very important, don't take any task light, or don't think that yes, this I don't really need to practice, this is fine, I'll get the score. You have to focus on each and everything if you want to get 90 as well. Keta, let's wrap it off. Any advice for students who are preparing for the exam, what they should do, or they are frustrated like you were, that
Yeah.
I'm not going to get the score, why
Yeah.
I'm not getting,
Yeah.
everything is fine. Any advice for them, please?
I would just like to say, coming to a coaching center is very important. I used to think that coaching center is not important, but it is very important because I've given a lot of attempts before
That's right.
without the coaching center, but it never helped me. So coming here, getting one-to-one feedback, practicing every day in the lab, and the mock test, and receiving a feedback on that mock test in each and every question that we answer. So that is very important. So I would advise that we should go for a coaching center, especially Language Academy, because I know the way he has helped me is outstanding.
Nice.
So
It's
yes.
all your hard work, I'll say. Guys, again, as she pointed out this thing, you think that you'll practice at home, but you won't actually. You'll do one or the other thing, or at home, even if you practice, you don't really have someone who will point out your mistakes, that these are the mistakes you're making and this is how you need to improve. You do your work, you think you're doing right, but that's not actually right. That's why you're not getting the score. It's not like computer is biased or the PD software is biased. She has got 90, I've got 90, you can get 90 as well. You have to make sure you practice the right way, receive proper feedback, you do a lot of mock tests, practice a lot, and then be confident and go and smash the exam. All the very best, guys. Keep on practicing. I hope you clear the exam as well. I'll see you very soon. Thanks, guys.